Yes, 24 hours makes a difference. It was a bit tough again this morning to get out of bed, and it is windy today. The sea is not flat at all. So what I have today is I've got a 40-minute run, and then supposedly I have an hour swim. I'll see how that goes in there. I mean, that's looking like a lot of fun, but we shall see. That's the story. It was my first failed attempt at one of these workouts. The plan says a 1 hour swim today, but honestly the sea is I don't know, it's like a washing machine. I just went straight out 500 meters and came straight back in. It's supposed to be an hour, but I did like 25 minutes, but I'd managed to do 1 kilometer and 50 meters, so let's say 1 kilometer. So I'm happy with that. To be honest, but yeah, I mean, obviously when you're working out in the sea, conditions aren't always perfect. All in all, it was alright. Did a barefoot run up the beach, did a survival swim in the sea. So yeah, it was a good workout.